Hi, this is my ePaper weather display. It's Wi-Fi connected, extremely power efficient, and since the last video, it's been seriously upgraded. If you've seen the previous video, you already know this project works well. But this time, it's not just a small tweak. I've added new features, improved the design and turned it into something that's ready to grow even further. The display connects to Wi-Fi and automatically downloads weather data from OpenWeather. It can show the forecast for any city, and with a small change in the code, even multiple locations at the same time. I also added a 3 hours weather forecast, so it doesn't just show what's happening now, but what's coming next. On the top of online weather data, the display now shows indoor temperature and humidity, thanks to a DHT11 sensor. This way, it combines data from outside with real measurements from inside the house. With all these new features, I designed a new 3D printed case, made specially for this project. Everything is now in one compact unit and looks exactly how I wanted it to. The whole system is built around an ePaper display, which means extremely low power consumption. The screen only refreshes when needed, and the rest of the time it uses almost no energy at all. I'm not going to dive deep into the code today, this isn't a tutorial. I just want to show that this project is fully customizable. The basic version of the code is available on GitHub and I adapted it to fit my own needs. You can also take that base and turn it into something that works for you. If you're interested in building something like this yourself, I have another video where I go into more detail about the basic version of this project. Let me quickly show how I connected the DHT11 sensor. The sensor itself is very simple. It needs power, ground and a single data connection. I also added a 10 kΩ pull-up resistor between VCC and the data line, which helps keep the signal stable. VCC is connected to the 3.3 volt output on the display, ground directly to the ground, and the data pin is connected to one of the GPIO pins on the display. And that's all, just a few wires and some basic soldering. But one important warning. Make sure you don't mix up the resistor connection. The DHT really doesn't like that. If you wire it incorrectly, it can get very hot. And after a moment, you might end up with something like this. Ask me how I know. There is nothing stopping this project from using multiple sensors, for example, one in every room. All that data could be stored on a local server, like this one, or even this one, giving you easy access to temperature and humidity history from one place. That's exactly what I'm planning to explore next. This display is no longer just a weather screen, it's the beginning of a bigger system, flexible, power efficient and ready for the future upgrades. If you are interested in projects like this and want to see where this goes next, consider subscribing, because this definitely isn't the final version. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.